On the large circular end of the router base, it is marked 4.5 inches, which is the distance from the edge to the center of the router spindle. So in this example, I have a 1/2 inch router bit, which gives me 4.25 inches from the router bit to the edge of the router base. I will set my fence at 4 1/8 and take an 1/8 inch off of my edge of my board. To make this cut, simply run the round end of the router base along the fence. It's always good practice not to rotate the router when using a fence in this manner. So let's say you might want to take an additional 1/16 of an inch off after this cut, say for a second cleanup pass. Instead of moving the fence, you can simply use the straight side of the ultimate router base. That distance is 4 7/16. As an embarrassing side note, it says 4 15/16. That is incorrect and a typo. So once again, the distance from the straight side of the ultimate router base to the center spindle is 4 7/16. So to subtract a 1/16 of an inch from your cut, simply rotate your router, use the straight side of the ultimate router base against your fence, and you'll just kiss an additional 1/16 of an inch off your cut. I hope you enjoy the ultimate router base, and please look for other features and operations and additional videos to come.